Hey guys, Roshan here with Camille Beckman. Today I have baby Muncha with me. He did not want to leave his mom, so he's making his YouTube channel debut. Today we're going to be talking about healthy skin habits and how to really work with your skin to get the beautiful dewy glow that we all have within us. So our number one tip is to stop cleansing as much. The beauty industry has trained us to clean our skin twice a day. This is actually very damaging for the skin as it keeps it in constant chaos and dryness. The first way you can break this toxic cleansing routine is to only cleanse your skin once a day. When you wake up in the morning, just splash a little water on your face to wash the sleepies out of your eyes and get ready for your day. Typically, you only need to wash your face in the evening. The evening is the time when we have the dirt and the debris that's filled up from the day, or makeup, or anything else that's on our skin we need to remove. Instead of reaching for a traditional detergent-based cleanser, I like oil cleansing. If you're interested in oil cleansing, we have another video that you can watch on our channel all about oil cleansing that'll teach you the proper way to do it. The reason why cleansing is so much nicer on the skin is because it's all natural, there are no harsh detergents, it keeps your skin super soft and lustrous, and it gives you a really beautiful dewy glow without having to use a lot of different products. If you're interested in oil cleansing, I recommend the Sweet Orange and Jojoba Restoration Oil from Camille Beckman. The biggest thing to remember with your skin is that the face on your skin is a lot like your breast tissue. It's very soft, it's very pliable. You wouldn't scrub your breasts twice a day with harsh exfoliants in order to make them soft and dewy, would you? No. So why are we doing this to our skin? If you want to take care of your skin, you need to consider it with the same integrity and love that you would consider any other delicate skin on your body. The next tip we have for healthy skin habits is to get in the sun more. There is a fine balance between too little sun and too much sun. Most of us get too little sun because we've been taught to fear it. But the truth is, the sun not only gives you vitamin D, which is essential to your joy and prosperity of your mind, but it also is very healthy for the skin. The added vitamin D you'll get from the sun also helps with muscle and brain function for an added bonus. It's really a great all-over ailment that we can easily incorporate for free within all of our lives. If you're going to exfoliate, I would recommend only exfoliating once a week. If you're looking for an exfoliating cleanser, we have an awesome exfoliating cleanser from Camille Beckman. It's our Walnut Shell and Cacao cleanser. It has all natural ingredients. It smells delicious because of the natural cacao in it. It smells like a chocolatey cake. It's amazing. So our fourth tip is just eating better. It's really important that we get a proper balance of protein, fat, and fresh fruits and vegetables in our diet. If you eat meat, I suggest eating grass-fed meat or other meats that have not been raised in a cage. The reason why? Well, animals that have a grass-fed diet typically have more collagen, elastin, and trace minerals in the meat. Our fifth and final tip is mindset. What you believe becomes. So if you're looking in the mirror feeling frustration and angst, that's what's going to become. If you're looking in the mirror feeling joy and grace and compassion for yourself, that's what's going to become. One thing I noticed is that every time I would start touching my skin, I would be thinking about what felt wrong with it or what I didn't like about it. And I realized that was totally setting me up for failure. So now whenever I touch my skin, I think about gratitude. I think about being thankful for my skin. Think about the way you look at the people you love most. You don't look at them with anger and angst, and when you do, that propels them into a deeper hole. When you look at them with love and elation, it helps them phenomenally, drastically, quickly. That's what we want, and that's what it'll do for your skin. Thanks for watching our episode today on healthy skin habits. If you have more questions, please comment below or subscribe to our channel for more content like this.